Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to cancel your subscription on Duolingo. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for duolingo.com. So here it is. Make sure you log into it. After that, simply click on profile. Click on this icon over here. And we can see this option called Super Duolingo. Simply tap on this and here we'll be able to see the subscription option of Duolingo. And if you have already done any subscription, you'll be able to see the type of subscription you have done and you'll be able to see a cancel button there. Simply tap on that to cancel the Duolingo subscription. So this is all we can do to cancel subscription on Duolingo. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.